So I'm out in Audubon here. Customer has a pool that went in, and they wanted to get some steps out. So we are getting steps put in. This is kind of what goes into this. So underpinning of the foundation. So we're about 3 foot or 2.5 foot below the existing foundation line there. So we'll put some concrete in. The forms will go in there, so it'll be an A section, so that's going to be one part, and then the other section is going to be over here, another about 4 foot section, and we'll leave this as underpin B. That'll stay till these are poured, because we don't undermine the whole foundation and have the house collapse. So we'll get those 2 sections poured, and then we'll dig this out, and that'll get poured. There's a special grout that goes in, and then we'll cut in for the door right here, and then we'll have steps that come out landing wise. It's going to be all poured wall that goes. You can see how deep this is. They shelved it, to avoid any collapse there, but real tight area working in, and really, really deep hole to be able to get this thing done. So to give you an idea of what's going on with it.